This video from Digger's Garage is a request for help, advice, because I've got a recurring problem with my bike and I don't know what to do about it. Basically, what's happening a lot, like maybe every 1,000 miles or two, is this here standard part, and what it attaches to, which is behind there, it's kind of like almost like an S shape or a Z shaped piece of metal. It's snapping. So here it snaps. Now this is I've actually re-welded that about a week ago, and put layer upon layer of weld and tried to really put a lot of thickness there. So that's a weld, but basically it snaps there, and it snaps here or whatever. So that's all welded. Now today I took off the panniers to have a quick look and immediately noticed the wobble. You can see, so again, that's, I've welded that. Recently, not quite as vigorously as the other side, but it's welded. More than once it snapped. I've welded it. And this S-shaped piece basically keeps fucking snapping. Now this here you can get from it's an official part. They're about 70 quid each. I know, for a bit of metal, right? Left and a right, standard parts, and I'll show you the picture on, should be coming up on screen now. So that's fine. You know, it's an 18-year-old bike, maybe there's fatigue or whatever. So I've ordered, yes, paying fuck tons of money, a brand new replacement one of these for this side and one for the other side, for the next time it breaks. Now, funny enough, I ordered them today for the next time they break, and I come and have a look. Oh, look, they're broken. Except it's not this piece, it's the S piece. Now, problem number one, this fucking piece. Where is it? I don't know where to get them from. I potentially I can make one, but well, I don't know. So problem number one is, where do I get that fucking piece from? Again, on screen, look, you can see the diagram. Now, it's on the diagram, you can see this, but not this piece. What part is it? Don't know. I need help. So, assuming if I replace this piece there, same on the other side, and this piece, this, with brand new pieces, is that going to solve a problem? I don't know. That's why I'm asking for help, part 2. Why the fuck does it keep snapping here and here, right? So look at that. Oops. So what is it? If I lift that up, I can hold it up with my hand, and that kind of pulls the two together. There's a fair weight on there. It's more like no, it's not. I just need to lift it up like that. It's not even a huge amount of weight, right? Yeah, so just there. Not even a fucking huge amount of weight, and they just keep snapping. And it's first I got someone when this went wrong first time. I got someone else to weld it. They used TIG or MIG. I don't know what. It snapped. Got them to weld it again. Snapped. So I thought, fuck it, I'll learn how to weld. And arc welding is a bit stronger, so I learned how to arc weld, and I've arc welded it. And sometimes it snaps in the same place, but sometimes it snaps in a brand new place, like the weld's fine, but the metal breaks. So I don't know what the fuck, why. It's like there's a fundamental fucking, design flaw that puts too much pressure here and here. I mean, it's just, it's just, yeah, it's a rat bike, but standard parts, apart from this, I can't find. So, what do I do? I mean, it's, like I say, it's not a lot of pressure to hold that back up in place. I spoke to one person who I met whilst riding in Ireland. He said maybe the vibrations from the engine, maybe the resonant frequency manages to fuck them. I don't know. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this out. So I can have a look and see where the brake is and show you. This is a bit from behind there. And looking at it, looks like a new brake there. Possibly some of the welds broken as well. So I'm going to need to clean that up a lot. I'm currently having trouble getting this little bastard back out. This one's feels like it's just spinning, which sucks. Fucking donkey balls. Can't see what's going on there. Might have to undo these so I can get this thing out of the way. I've loosened those, give me a bit of movement here, and this is turning, not yet anyway, but if I look in there, that's spinning, so I need to get a grip on that. Got a bit of WD-40 now, holds a bit, and had to hold it with this. However, it's now fucking loose, and whilst wiggling it like that, these two have fallen from under there. So putting this back together is going to be a bit of a pain. This to get under there. It's here, but then you've got all this shit in the way. So I'm definitely going to need to move this out, get that off, so I can get behind there and reattach without being able to fucking see it, and bollocks. Bloody fuck. Well, here's the offending piece. Which way around does it go? Let's go like that. So, it's that kind of shape. Yeah, so it's that kind of shape. I can't find it on anywhere on any sort of parts website. Right, let's have a look at the brake. So, look at that. That's how it fitted together. I can give that a go at welding it. Don't know how strong it's going to be. But what I really want is to find a replacement part. This. That's what I want. I got it all clamped up. I'm going to give it a go with 2mm. See what happens.
On the side of it, on top of it. Can always grind it down later if it doesn't fit.
Right, I'm going to do this side now. Ow! Fuck. Tony's cleaning up. Ow. Right. And now it's joined, I get it into a more convenient position. Alright, so start looking away. See that? I'll just fill that middle bit in. That's one side. There's the other. It's not neat, but welds look alright. I might need to do a little bit of rethreading there. Damn, not so ugly. But fits there. And we'll go. Hey, fuck. We'll go up there. So what I need to do is sort out this. Whatever is going on, looks like some kind of weird. No, you can't see. There we go. Look at that. It's a bolt. It's hollow with thread inside. Never seen that before. I need to get these up in there. That's in the way. Let's get this out of the way first. That's out of the way. So now I need to get up in there. I don't know if I can position you so you can see. So I'll put it like that. It actually gives me some light from the camera, and I'll just edit it out later if I can't see shit. Right, so let's get this in there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's not any of that. Focus your fucker.
Do any of that. But I've got the fucker on. There you go. Let's see it. Just need to get this nice and tight. Alright, so try to put this bastard back on, and this seems lower than it was before. It doesn't, not quite aligned with the with this hole here. So maybe this can move up and down. I'll have to loosen it now, see what happens. Lashed it up, but now it's loose. I need to tighten it again. Thankfully it's got that kind of gripper thing on this side, so I don't need to grab it the other side to tighten it here. Nice and tight. Now I can get this bit tightened. But holding this with my chin doesn't really work very well. I need 3 hands. Okay, that's back in place. What I need to do is, this is what I welded earlier, another time. Let's do is, okay, what's snapping now? I don't know. What is it? Well, anyway. That needs to get up there. Should be alright. Right, back in a minute. Okay, this is back on now. This is all in place. Solid as fuck. Until the next 1,000 miles. All solid. Until the next 1,000 miles, the fucking thing breaks. So back to the original problem. Why? Why is it breaking? Different places. Why is it snapping? I mean, the same place makes sense. Hasn't snapped in a while since I did a multiple layers of weld on here, and the other side. But why? Why do I get it? Why do I get a replacement one of these? I don't need to keep welding them and end up with some metal that's more weld than it is the original component. And why? It's not like the panniers that go on here. You know, I don't fill them too heavy or anything like that. I mean, yeah, they've got some tools in, but not a lot. It's not excessive. I keep the these to the right pressure so that there's plenty of shock absorbance going on. Why? Why does it keep breaking? Because I can't trust this bike. I can't go far. Well, okay. Maybe a 1,000-mile trip I can do after I've done a recent weld, but I can't trust it. That's no good for me. I want a bike I can go 5,000 miles more. In fact, I don't want a bike where I have to keep on fucking welding the same fucking areas. So, thoughts please.